These are the raw materials for a COVID-19 vaccine. Bags full of biological cells, soon to have an inactivated or dead virus added to them.
It's running. You can see this.
Churned like butter in a bioreactor, this is one of the most promising candidates in the global race for a vaccine. It's made by Sinovac, a biotech company on the outskirts of Beijing. Sky News is the first British broadcaster to go inside this lab. Last month, they published results in the academic journal Science, which showed the vaccine protects monkeys from infection by the coronavirus. And the scientists here are optimistic that it will protect humans too. I mean, how confident? Like 100% sure? 80%?
99.
99?
99.
That's good news.
Yeah.
This isn't research, this is production. While clinical trials are ongoing, Sinovac is pumping out doses of the vaccine so that it can be ready if they succeed. They're aiming for 100 million doses. Despite all the measures taken to contain COVID-19, the lockdowns, the quarantines, the track and trace programs, all the hardships endured by millions, the only way out of this is with a vaccine. And this is the front line of that work and one of the best hopes for all of us. At the same time, the research is ongoing. The vaccine is currently in stage 2 human trials with more than 1,000 volunteers. They'll run over the next few months. Then there'll be stage 3, and after that, clinical approval, all of which means the vaccine won't be here soon. There are actually two fronts. There's the production side, which they're ramping up, and then there's this, which is the scientific research. That still obviously has to go on while they try and get the quantities ready if the vaccine is successful and take it to the public.
It is the COVID-19 vaccine we are developing, and this is, we call it pre-filled syringe. Yeah. So when people use, it will be easy, they don't have to drag it out. So it's a very advanced one.
The biggest problem for Sinovac right now is the low number of coronavirus cases in China. To test the vaccine, they have to look further afield, including to the UK.
We are speaking to several European countries, and I think we did discuss with UK as well, but I'm not, currently it's a very preliminary stage for the discussion. It is also our recommendation that it is not usually the whole population to get the vaccine, and like we are discussing and recommending to some other countries as well. We firstly targeting on the high-risk group, we said, for example, health workers or the senior citizens.
There is a long road ahead and there are no guarantees. But this just might be our way out. Tom Cheshire, Sky News, Beijing.